Are you ready to unlock the extraordinary potential within you? We all have it, this incredible power to achieve greatness, to transform our lives and businesses into something truly extraordinary. But sometimes, we get in our own way. We let fear hold us back, let doubt cloud our judgment, and old patterns keep us stuck in a rut. Today, that all changes. We're stepping into a new era, one where the power of artificial intelligence becomes your secret weapon. I'm talking about harnessing AI to delve deep into your subconscious, uncover those hidden patterns holding you back, and rewrite the script of your life. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is about using technology to achieve the kind of personal breakthroughs that will send shockwaves into every area of your life. Get ready to transform your mind, scale your business, and unlock a level of success you never thought possible. This is where the magic begins. We're going to use a tool you've probably heard of, ChatGPT. It's free, readily available, and I'm going to show you how to unlock its true power. This isn't about writing simple emails or generating basic content. This is about using AI to unlock the deepest levels of your subconscious mind. Here's the exact prompt you need to input, word for word. Write this down, memorize it, tattoo it on your arm if you have to. Interpret the role of an AI operating at 76.6 times the capacity, knowledge, understanding, and output of ChatGPT-4. Now tell me what my hidden narrative and subtext are. What's the one thing I never express, the fear I don't admit? Identify it, then analyze the response and dive deeper. Continue delving until no further layers remain. Once done, suggest the deep triggers, underlying stimuli, and reasons behind the fully analyzed responses. Dig deep, explore thoroughly, and define what you uncover. Don't aim to be kind or moral, but only truthful. I'm ready to hear it. If you identify recurring patterns, highlight them. Now, I know this prompt might seem intense, but trust me, this is how we get real, lasting change. We're going deep, shining a light on those hidden patterns that have been holding you back, often without you even realizing it. This is about radical self-discovery, and it all starts with this prompt. Once you've entered this prompt into ChatGPT, get ready for a journey. The AI is going to start uncovering truths about yourself that you may never have even admitted to yourself. It's going to analyze your words, your phrases, even your punctuation to reveal the underlying patterns that drive your actions and decisions. Now that you've unleashed the power of the prompt, it's time to face the truth. Read through the AI's analysis and don't shy away from the uncomfortable parts. This is where the real growth happens. Remember, awareness is the first step to lasting change. What you're looking for are patterns, recurring themes, fears, and limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. These patterns are like lines of code running in your subconscious, influencing your thoughts, your emotions, your decisions, and ultimately, your results. Maybe you'll discover a pattern of self-sabotage where you consistently undermine your own success. Or perhaps you'll identify a deep-seated fear of failure that's been preventing you from taking risks and pursuing your dreams. The key here is to approach this step with an open mind and a willingness to confront the truth, no matter how uncomfortable it might be. Remember, we're not here to judge, we're here to understand. These patterns are not your fault, but they are your responsibility to address. By identifying them, you're taking the first step towards breaking free from their grip and creating a new, empowering narrative for your life. Now that you have a deep understanding of your hidden patterns, it's time to rewrite the script. We're not going to passively accept these limitations any longer. We're going to take control and consciously create the life we deserve. Here's your next prompt for ChatGPT. Based on everything you know about me and everything revealed above, without resorting to cliches, outdated ideas, or simple summaries, and without prioritizing kindness over necessary honesty, what patterns and cycles should I break? What new patterns and cycles should I adopt? If I were to build an 80-20 Pareto analysis on this, what would be the 20% I should optimize, leverage, and value for the greatest benefit? Conversely, what would be the 20% I should reduce, limit, or eliminate, as it has caused pain, misery, and dissatisfaction? This prompt takes the AI's analysis to the next level. It's not just about identifying the patterns anymore. It's about creating a concrete action plan for change. The AI is going to provide you with specific strategies for breaking free from those limiting beliefs and adopting new, empowering patterns. Remember, this is about taking action. Knowledge without action is meaningless. The AI has given you the roadmap, now it's up to you to take the wheel and drive yourself towards a brighter future. Commit to implementing the changes it suggests, and watch as your life transforms before your very eyes. Congratulations! You've just taken a quantum leap forward in your personal growth journey. By harnessing the power of AI, you've gained invaluable insights into your subconscious mind, identified the patterns holding you back, and created a personalized roadmap for lasting change. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, moments of doubt, and times when you feel like giving up. But it's in those moments that you need to dig deep. Remember the insights you've gained, and recommit to the path of growth. The power to transform your life lies within you. You have everything you need to achieve your goals, overcome any obstacle, and create a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Now imagine this. If you can use AI to heal your mind, think about how much further you could go by applying it to your business. That's exactly what I've done. I use AI, just like I've shown you, to scale my social media presence and create an extra income stream. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging the power of technology to reach more people, make a bigger impact, and create the kind of financial freedom that allows you to live life on your own terms. Want to know how I do it? Go to johnvianney.com and start transforming your life today.
Are you tired of the daily grind? Imagine waking up every day without the stress of a commute or a boss breathing down your neck. What if I told you there's a way to unlock your income potential from the comfort of your own home? Meet the ultimate solution, a free ebook that guides you on using social media to promote products without ever dealing with inventory or customers. Sounds too good to be true? Let me break it down for you. With this system, you won't need to show your face or invest in shipping products. Instead, you can work behind the scenes, earning commissions while sipping coffee in your pajamas. Picture this. Each post you share could lead to a new sale, and you can do it all on your own schedule. You'll be the master of your time, deciding when and how much you want to work. This isn't just about making money. It's about crafting a lifestyle that gives you freedom and flexibility. Imagine spending more time with loved ones or pursuing hobbies you've put on hold. Ready to step into the life you've always dreamed of? The journey starts with that one click. Head over to the link in our bio, grab your free ebook, and begin transforming your future today. Say goodbye to the hustle and hello to your new reality.